learners! Welcome to another episode of TLE 7 Caregiving Exploratory Course, Quarter 3, Module 3. I am teacher Tricia Bagtas Suaybaguio from Laak National High School, Laak, South District. And this is TV Eskwela of DepEd Davao de Oro. Have you heard the phrase clean as you go or Clego? This is a reminder that one must clean one's mess before leaving. Clego is a good habit. The same is true with our tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving. They must be clean at all times. In this episode, we are about to learn the value of maintaining tools, equipment, and paraphernalia to make our work easier and comfortable. After going through this module, you are expected to perform aftercare activities for tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Let us get started. Prepare your Grade 7 Caregiving module, ball pen, and extra sheet of paper. To begin with, turn your module to page 2. Do you clean household equipment at home? What are the cleaning materials you use in doing so? Do you store them properly? Cleaning household equipment and observing proper storage can be learned as you go along and do the activities prepared in this lesson. Let us find out how well you know in taking care of tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving by answering the questions flashed on your screen. Follow the directions properly. This time, let us check your work. The answers are: number 1, letter D, use a tissue paper. Number 2, letter D, both A and B, baking soda and dishwashing liquid. Number 3, letter D, the plate will become sticky, dusty, and oily. For number 4, letter C, place inside the thermometer's container. Number 5, letter A, pour warm water on the stove. What a great start, our dear learners! This time, to check if you are already familiar with some of the tools, equipment, and paraphernalia used in caregiving, as discussed from the previous lesson, let us do the activity Remember Me. Name the pictures of tools, equipment, and paraphernalia flashed on your screen. Get ready! Here we go! Can you name this equipment? Yes! You are right! This is a blender. Are you familiar with this one? Excellent! This is a microwave oven. How about this picture? Can you name what it is? That is correct! This is a washing machine. How about this item? Is it familiar to you? Very good! This is a thermometer. For our next item, we have this one. Can you identify it? You are right! This is a stethoscope. How about this one? Are you familiar with this equipment? Very good! This is a coffee maker. For our last item, we have this one. Can you name it? You are right! This is a stove. How impressive! You did great! Let us keep going. Isn't it exciting to know the ways to keep our household equipment clean after using it? Do you know there are standard operating procedures or SOP in carrying out ideal routines in cleaning, storing, and checking the conditions of this equipment? Let us watch and learn some of the cleaning routines on the following tools, equipment, and paraphernalia flashed on your screen. Or you can turn your module from page 8 to 10. How to clean tools and equipment used in preparing meals. How to clean equipment used in drying and washing. How to clean tools used in taking vital signs. Good job! Now you know the proper ways on how to clean the tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving. Let us now find out how to store and maintain orderliness of the different tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving. How and where to store tools and equipment used in caregiving meal preparation. How and where to store tools and equipment used in caregiving, washing, and ironing. How and where to store tools and equipment used in taking vital signs. There you got it, class! You have learned the best ways to clean and keep tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. This cleaning skill will surely help you in your caregiving services. Let us now find out how to check the different tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving before and after use. How to check tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving used in preparing meals. How to check tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving used in washing and ironing. How to check tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in taking vital signs. That's it, my dear learners. The standard operating procedure or SOP to follow in order to become an effective caregiver. I hope you will remember that SOP is a set of a step-by-step instruction compiled by an organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. The word standard can imply that only one procedure is to be used across all units. SOP is also a specific description of how to undertake a particular task and provides detailed written instructions to achieve uniformity of the performance of a specific function. Remember to keep all things clean and in order because this will improve your efficiency in work. How impressive, my dear learners! You made it this way. Now, let us check how far you have learned the lesson. Answer the activity, Fix Me Please. Direction. Rearrange the jumbled letters to form a meaningful word and fill in the missing idea to complete the statement. You can start now. Are you excited to know your score? Okay, so let us find out the correct answers. Number 1. Microwave should be stored upright and don't put heavy items on top of it. The missing word is upright. Number 2. Place the flat iron in a container or cloth bag to keep it protected from dust and debris. The missing word is container. Number 3. Store the washing machine with the door open slightly to allow any moisture to dry. The missing word is open. Number 4. Store your stethoscope away from direct sunlight, as continuous exposure will harden its tubing. The missing word is sunlight. Number 5. Fill the blender carafe halfway with warm water. The missing word is blender. Congratulations! Thank you for going the extra mile. For your additional activities, in your activity notebook, list down more tools, equipment, and paraphernalia you can find at home. Write it in the corresponding number and then answer the questions that follow. Good luck, learners! Incredible! You have exerted an amazing effort and learned a lot in this lesson. Clean, store, and check properly the tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in caregiving regularly to keep us safe. It has been a wonderful learning experience with you, our dear learners. Your enthusiasm to learn and discover new things are our happiness. See you next time! Once again, I am teacher Tricia Bagtas Suaybaguio of Laak National High School, Laak South District. Saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!